So today we have a 2006 GMC Duramax 3500 one-ton dually, and it has a fuel leak from the fuel lines back here. You can see the fuel lines up in there are seeping, they're all rusty and rotten, and you can see fuel leaking down here. So what we're going to do is we're going to install this Dorman stainless steel line kit that goes all the way from the engine all the way to the tank, and it looks like we're going to end up dropping the tank because and a new cooler, of course, because we'll never get those lines off the cooler. The cooler is pretty beat up as well from stone chips and stuff, and it's quite rusty. It has to come off to get at these lines. So I've already disconnected the lines up at the top, and there's the line running down the side here, side of the transmission, behind the harness. That's going to be fun to fish it out. The new lines come in two pieces, so this originally is a joint here, so we're just going to cut this because it's garbage anyways, and replace it. There's a union and a couplers for the new line, which is going to make it a little easier, I hope, to install. So we'll pick off once we get the lines. So you will need this release tool, both 3/8 and 1/2 inch, to remove those quick couplers, aptly named quick couplers, not quick decouplers, to get the lines off at the fuel, at the rail, at the engine, and at the cooler at the fuel tank. So you need that tool or one like it. Well, that was fun. Those Dorman lines come in three pieces. So there's a joint here, and then in front here there's a joint here, whereas the OEM lines are one piece. It would have been a nightmare trying to put in a one-piece line throughout the entire vehicle. Even just three pieces here was a pain in the ass. Anyway, so this is a new union here that wasn't there before, braided steel. So is this here. New cooler. I managed to get the quick couplers loose. You did not have to drop the tank to install this line kit. So we're just going to bleed the system now and check it for leaks, but it shouldn't have any leaks. This is all on the suction side.